Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the physical pieces so you can plug in immediately. First, identify your iPad port, USB-C or Lightning, and attach the matching camera adapter. This provides a host USB connection. Next, confirm the keyboard is class-compliant USB MIDI or supports Bluetooth MIDI. If it requires external power, plug that in now so the device is fully powered when connected. Once done, connect the correct USB or MIDI cable to the keyboard so you're ready for the next step. Now connect the keyboard to the iPad. Plug the keyboard's USB into the camera adapter, then attach the adapter to the iPad. Use a powered USB hub when the keyboard draws bus power. For Bluetooth keyboards, enable Bluetooth on the iPad, pair the keyboard from settings or from inside your music app, and confirm pairing. Once the physical or wireless link is established, launch your music app, grant MIDI permissions, and select the keyboard as the app's MIDI input so notes and control messages are routed correctly. Finish by testing and optimizing the connection. Play several keys while watching the app's MIDI activity and listening for sound. If you hear nothing, check that the instrument track is armed and the output isn't muted. Adjust MIDI channel, velocity curve, local control, and buffer size to reduce latency and get the response you want. If something goes wrong, the most likely fix is to recheck physical connections and power. Then confirm app MIDI permissions and matching MIDI channels. This single check solves most silent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.